Today we are going to introduce a new model to you all. The Dongfneg Mengshi M2050B
is a 1.5-point high mobility off-road vehicle,
equipped with a Cummins engine and fuel-time four-wheel drive. It can conquer complex terrains such as jungles and desert, and also has the capability of being air-dropped, with optional winding and vision configurations. It is suitable for command and reconnaissance tasks, making it a powerful multi-purpose vehicle. That's all for today's presentation. See you in the next one.